So now it's time for us to work on exercises. And it's very important if you're really going to learn how to do some Android applications, you need to get your hands on your keyboard, you need to try stuff out. And so this is what this is all about. So in this video, I'm going to describe what we're looking for, and then I'll have a follow-up video, actually probably 2 videos, that do me walking through and typing in the solution so you can see how I would have done it. So please work on it on your own, but then you can also see how I did it to perhaps compare how you work through these exercises compared to how I would have. So first off, we have exercises 1 and 2. We want you to take that Hello Android application, the one we just worked on during the lecture, and we want you to modify it a little bit. We want you to use different text for the button label and different text for that hint. I'm not circling these very well. Let me try again here with the box. There we go. So modify the label and modify the hint. We'll show you here. We'll pull up the emulator. The hint, it says, please enter your name. We want you to have something else there. The button says, say hello. Again, we want you to put something else there. So modify the current program so that lists different text for the hint and for the button. Number 2, kind of along the same lines, change the program again so that the greeting says hi instead of hello before your name. So right now, it says hello, Jamie. After I clicked on say hello, we wanted to say hi, Jamie. So just small changes to the existing program is what we're looking for here with exercises 1 and 2. By the way, when you're done with these, definitely encourage you to watch the follow-up video to see me working through it as well. But you might find good value in watching or looking over the solution code. So there's a project called Hello Android 2 that has the solution code for both labs 1 and 2. So you can look at an existing project and find where we made our changes as well. So 2 ways to get some assistance here. You can look at how I did it, or you can just look at the solution project. That project is one of those projects that was loaded when we first started up, or we first got Eclipse going earlier. So there's Hello Android 2 that'll have the solutions for this thing. There's also a solution for the next exercise, or exercises 3 and 4. It's called the Converter project. So Converter would be what you'd use if you want to look at the solutions for exercises 3 and 4, Hello Android 2 for exercises 1 and 2. By the way, one of the things I like to do, and I didn't mention this before, is I like to close all unrelated projects in Eclipse. That way I can just kind of zoom in and focus on that 1 or 2 projects I'm working on. And so that wouldn't be a bad idea to right-click on the project you want to keep using and choose Close. We actually had Close Unrelated Projects as an option a moment ago. Okay, what about exercises 3 and 4? In these exercises, we want you to build an Android project that does a conversion. It converts between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. So the user is going to type Fahrenheit temperature in an edit text box. And then when they click on a button, we're going to display for them in a text view the value in Celsius, the converted value. And then finally, number 4, add another button, this time go the other way, from Celsius to Fahrenheit, if they click that button. So hopefully you can imagine that that's going to look a lot like what we had for our our Hello Android, where there's a text or an edit text here that they can type something into. Maybe this will be now a temperature. There'll be a button, or maybe even 2 buttons if you do the optional exercise, that'll say do the work. And then down below we have ourselves the results that are displaying inside of a text view. So it probably won't be too much different from what you did in the chapter as part of that hands-on exercises. However, now your listener is going to do some calculations. It'll do a little bit of math. By the way, we do list here what the formulas are for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. I'm sure you can also look those up on the web if you wanted to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shut down this video, and I guess I encourage you to work on these exercises and then come back with me and watch the review videos next.